Hey YouTube, I'm going to be installing these 1200 N springs from Harley into my bike here because the bike's over 130 pound-feet of torque now, and I think I want to make sure that this clutch isn't going to slip. So I'll be taking this off and removing the old ones and just installing these new ones. Okay, there it is with the cover off, and have something nearby to catch it so you don't make a huge mess like I did. And there's the cover off, the bolts, and I'll probably change that fluid too. But I'm just going to take out those three, work them out slowly, little bit, until they all loosen up, and then I just take them out, and then I'll do the same thing putting them back in, and that's it. All right, there it is removed. There's the springs hanging out. I'm just gonna replace those one by one. Okay, so I have them in, I'm tightening it up. Now they have to be tightened between 70 and 100 inch pounds, not foot pounds, inch pounds. So I'll be doing that, and then I'm gonna put the cover back on, and that's it.